Welcome to this new video from the Shopify for Beginners course. In the previous video, we reviewed the project we will be working on during the course. If you missed it, you can watch it via the link in the description. Today, we will start the first practical steps, which is how to create an account on the Shopify platform. We will take you through the steps step by step to get you ready to set up your online store. Without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to open your favorite browser, then type shopify.com in the address bar to go to the platform's official website. Then click the Start Free Trial button located in the upper right corner of the page. This trial version gives you 3 days to try the platform without any financial commitment. Second step. Now, the registration wizard will appear to you. You will have to answer some questions that will help Shopify customize your experience. Of course, you can skip these questions, but we recommend that you answer them. The questions include: are you already selling your products online or by yourself, or are you just starting? In our case, we choose I am just starting and then click on the next button. The next question is, where would you like to sell your products? And gives you several options, including an online store, a point of sale, your website or blog, social media. You can choose one or more of them. In our case, we choose an online store, then press the next button. The next question is about what type of products do you want to sell, and gives you several options, including physical products that you ship yourself, digital products, services, dropshipping. You can choose one or more of them. In our case, we choose physical products, digital products, and services. Then click the next button. Step 3. Location and country settings. Based on your location, Shopify will automatically select your country, but you can change it if you want. Just make sure the information is accurate and that you have a phone number and bank account in the country you select, to ensure pricing, shipping, and payment gateways are set up correctly. Step 4. Create your account. The wizard will give you several options to create your account, either by signing up with your email, Apple ID, Facebook account, or Google account. In our case, I chose to create an account by signing up with my email. Now, enter an active and valid email address. For more professionalism, it is preferable that the email address is dedicated to your business and not free. For example, it is preferable to be like store@valley4text.com, not like store@gmail.com. Now, enter a strong password, and finally click the Create Account button and wait a little while for your account to be set up. Congratulations! Now you are inside your store's dashboard. Here, you can start customizing your store by adding products, setting up payment methods, and choosing themes. You can follow these steps in the upcoming videos. With that, we have created our Shopify account with ease. If you encounter any problems, you can always share them with us through the comments, or contact us privately if necessary. In the next video, we will explain how to choose and purchase the right plan for your store. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to receive new videos.